Field service management comes next. So this will look at the service planner, field service, service mobile, and then the new asset inspection mobile. Service planner is used to optimize utilization of teams and keep them busy and to shorten response times to customers. So it can be used against multiple teams. So you can manage just an individual, you can manage a team, you can manage multiple teams, work in different regions. You can use it to assign work lists from the planner and drag them to the relevant people. So in this case, looking at one of the regions, we're looking at just the North pool. You can allocate a task to a resource in the system, and that updates once you've saved it. You can look at the individual days and then manage the hours within that day. So any jobs where there's clashes, you can manage how many hours for each job that somebody's assigned to, so that we've not got clashes. And then those jobs then move on to the service mobile. On the mobile application, the user can see a summary view of all the orders and drill down into the job and assign it to themselves. They then can click on the progress to notify the centre they're working on the job. And when they finish, they can input the time worked on the job. And also, once they've put in the time, they can sort of say the type of work that was carried out from the drop-down list. And this allows different costs to be charged for jobs depending on the type of work carried out. You can add products to a job. So in this case, they've added floorboards and how many meters of floorboard that were used against the job. And you can also assign any equipment, or not if you're not using any specialist equipment, and then also put in any additional comments for the job. The asset inspection mobile device can then also be used. You can use this on a mobile phone or a tablet for field service and asset inspection. If you want to use a tablet with large quantities of information to view, and so it'll update, click on the start, add the additional asset information, and select the relevant inspections, enter the information required, and put in sort of updates for each step of an inspection if needs be. Click on OK or not OK for each of the sections. And putting comments against them, so to sort of say, you know, it's okay for now, but it's going to go wrong in a few months' time because it will need replacing eventually. And then you can also sort of say something's not right, add a comment to say what's wrong with it and why it's failed the inspection. But then from that point, you can actually then order a new part or replacement in the system. And because it's on a tablet, you can work offline and it will capture all the information. And when you then do get a central a connection, it will then send that order off once you establish your connection via Wi-Fi. A report can then be generated of what's failed and sent off to the centre. And that can all be done on site at the time the work is being carried out.